bag lovers, what we got today is a nice one. It's called How to Make the Zhoug. It's the missing ingredient from everything. It looks like green sauce. What's in this bag? Oh, it's green sauce. This is one sauce to rule them all. So basically what you're going to need for this one, right, is basically like cardamom seeds. So like either you can use like half a teaspoon, or like if it's ground up, or like you're gonna have to use like 20 odd like cardamom seeds which are emptied, which I've got now in the pan. You add in the chili, then you add in the peppercorns, right? And then like you add in the cumin seeds as well. Nice one. Then you have to put that on a medium heat, about 2 to 4 minutes. Then you start like on another thing, which is like cloves, garlic, and the fresh coriander. Basically, you may have to chop them, all those things up, 1/4, 6/8, whatever. So whatever suits you, right? And then straight into the blender. Now we have to add like liquid, nice like olive oil, and then like water. Basically, you work out the ratios as you want, but you have to add in the sea salt, and you definitely have to add in the lemon juice, fresh or from a bottle, whatever. And then like you add it all in, and then you start to blend. Nice one. Then like you get like the awaken spices which you've been like eating, and then like you grind them up. You add that to the sauce base. Can't like taste at this moment is. Blend that again, just a little bit, you know, just a little bit. And if you want it sweeter, then what you do is like add some honey. If you want it fresh, you add like in some mint, and like basically it's ready to serve. But I'll leave it 24 hours. So like and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoy this one. It's about 20 minutes cooking in a 2. Nice.